All fleet operators know how challenging it can be to effectively manage the stock and consumption of fuel. To help manage this on a daily basis, ProFleet has created an innovative solution, DiaLOG. With vehicle and driver identification, transaction reviews, control of dispensers, and tracking of consumption, DiaLOG records everything. But what about the data? ProFleet has also created DiaHOST, an online data hosting and backup solution. All your information is stored in a cloud entirely managed by ProFleet. But how does it work? Peter is a small fleet operator with no time nor energy to spend on new system setups. No problem. Simple, intuitive, easy to reach from any standard web browser and without installing any software. DiaHOST makes it possible for Peter to easily access his own personal space even before the actual equipment is installed. This allows him to import and organize his fleet up front, thus saving time at and after installation. Just like Peter, Eve is fully occupied with her fleet of 5,000 vehicles, and she's concerned about the system reliability. No worries, DiaHOST is also designed for multi-site fleets. Eve can easily access her central database from any web browser and check the activity of all peripherals. And, in the event the connection is lost, the central database and all the local peripherals will continue to operate independently. It's this replication process which ensures the reliability and the availability of the data. No matter what, the transactions keep on going. No downtime. Peter is also worried about the security of his data. DiaLOG has the solution. A strong encryption system ensures the security of the data. And, thanks to the up-to-date software, Peter has access to all the latest options and features that will help him manage his fuel. Simple, secure, convenient, and easy to access from everywhere. DiaHOST is the hosting solution that will help you keep track of your stock and consumption of fuel. So just like Eve and Peter, relax and enjoy.